Good morning, class. Today we will discuss one small poem in your English, that is I Want Peace. So this is the second lesson and the poem name is I Want Peace. So here the earth is saying something to us that how the earth is suffering. So I am big and round. I wonder if there will be a peace. I heard the sound of the people who are being killed. I see the people crying for life. I want to help the poor people. Here, the earth is saying that I am big and round, and I wonder there will be a peace. That there is no peace in the earth, so the earth is wondering that there will be a peace in it. I hear the sound of the people who are being killed. That is, in some areas or in some places, the people were being killed. So by the other people. So the earth is listening that. Earth is listening the. Earth is listening the sound of the people who are being killed, and I see the people crying for life. Some people are without money or without anything, they will cry for the life. So the earth is seeing that people are crying for the life. I want to help the poor people. So the earth want to help for the poor people who are not having correct food, correct clothes or something. And next para, I am big and round. I feel the weight of the sorrow on me. So the earth is big and round. The earth is feeling the weight of the sorrow. That is the sadness of the people. The bad times or the something or the sadness or the sorrow of the people. The earth is waiting. That is, the earth knows how much it waits, and that I touch the feelings of the people. So the earth is touching the feelings of the people. That is, some people are very happy and some people are very sad without no money and no food. So the earth is touching the feelings of the people. I worry about the future of the people on me. So, in future, if we waste all the sources in our earth, we in future to our childrens or to our grandparents, there is nothing on the earth. So, the earth is thinking that how the people live in the future on me. That is that thinking is doing by the earth, and I cry for help from God. So the earth is crying to help them or to help the people on the earth from God. So the earth is praising the God that you should help the people. This is all about the second para. And the third para is I am big and round. I understand the problems of the people on me. So the earth can understand the problems of the people. So many members have so many problems. So the earth can understand the problems. I say grace for all people, sir. The earth is saying grace, that all the people are having some sorrow or sadness or something. So the earth is gracing. And I dream about my past. So in the past, the earth were very nice with green trees and awesome environment and all. But due to pollution, there is no greenness. All the trees are deforested and buildings and companies are rebuilt. So there is no green on the earth. So the earth is wondering about the past, dreaming about the past. I try to handle my sorrow. So the earth is trying to handle the sorrow. That is weighing. There is lot of sadness on the earth. The earth is trying to handle them. I hope I won't be destroyed. So, due to the pollution, due to the greenhouse gases, due to the companies which are releasing polluted air, the earth is being polluted day by day. So, the earth is thinking that I should not destroy, but it is in our hands to not to pollute our earth. I am big and round. The earth is as usually big and round. So, in this total poem, the earth is thinking that the people on the earth are facing so many problems, and the earth is going to be destroyed day by day. So, this should be happened, and the earth is praising the God, and earth wants to help to the poor people. So this is all about this poem. Hope you understand. Thank you.